If you are planning to use MySQL database for this course, you can use its dedicated product, MySQL Workbench. To download this product, go to mysql.com/products/workbench. On the home page, just select Download Now. Select your operating system. I'm working with a Windows, so I will keep the default. And I'll be downloading the MSI installer. So here I'm just going to select Download. If you do not have an account, sign up for a download. However, I do have one, so I'm just going to select Login. So I'm just going to sign in here. Complete the short survey. Select your job function. Select the number of employees, you can select one. And then complete this verification. And then submit form. Then here you can proceed with the download. Once the download is complete, open the executable file. So here I'm going to select next, complete, and select install. Once the installation is complete, select finish and launch My Workbench now. In order to create a connection to your database server, you would select the plus icon, specify a name for the connection, the host name or the server name, the port which you are connecting to. Typically, the default is 3306 and the username. And then you will specify a name for the default schema that you want to connect to, and then you will select OK. So that's pretty much how you will connect to your MySQL database. In the next lecture, we'll be setting up our cloud environment.